little tiny bit yesterday, but I'm on my way to a nail appointment, and I'm gonna get my nails done today, and then I have a pedicure tomorrow. I'm like half packed, not even half. I'm like a quarter to a third packed. So I have to finish packing tomorrow because tonight, after I get my nails done, Dylan and I are going to dinner so we can hang before I leave tomorrow because he works all day tomorrow. So yeah, that's what's going on. I wanted to catch everyone up. I haven't spoken in a vlog since December 24th, 2018. 2019 has just kind of gotten away from me. I never even posted my Christmas Day vlog. It exists, it's just not on the internet. I posted my birthday vlog because I was watching all of my old birthday vlogs on my birthday, and I was like, I can't not vlog. Taco time! Taco time! Touching me, times never seem so good. So good! Believe it. I tried. Sweet Caroline. We're gonna get coffee. Hey, it's me. It's 7:12 on Wednesday morning, and I'm gonna get coffee written. And I'm going to my last day of work. That's about it. I just wanted to say I'm going to my last day of work. And then I'm leaving for Vegas tonight.